The truth is no one likes taxes, but saying that taxation is theft often sounds radical, and so does abolishing the Fed, the Department of Education, or the TSA. Libertarianism or classical liberalism is a radical position today. But Hayek showed us that it doesn't have to stay that way. Hayek studied how socialism won public support. Socialists built a network of intellectuals, shaping public opinion for decades until their idea became mainstream. We can do the same. That's why Students for Liberty hosts LibertyCon International every year. We bring freedom lovers together to shape tomorrow's debates and build a strong, connected community for liberty. This year's speakers include David Friedman, Deirdre McCloskey, Spike Cohen, John Mackey, Mayor Glenn Jacobs, and many others. Expect real debates like the one between Danielle DiMartino and Bryan Caplan on open borders. But LibertyCon isn't just for academics. You'll also hear stories from Hollywood libertarians like Mark Pellegrino and Dolph Ziggler. Also Daryl Davis. Last year, attendees from more than 60 countries joined us. And this year, it's your turn. Visit libertycon.com to learn more.